In this video, I will show you how to connect Gmail to GoHighLevel. To do this, first just go and open up GoHighLevel, and then what you want to go and do is just switch to the sub account that you want to connect your Gmail account to, so that you have a two-way sync. So then after doing that, just go to settings in the bottom left, and if you have a section here that says my profile, just gonna click my profile. As you can see, I don't have it right now, so instead what you want to go and do is click my staff then, and then from my staff you want to click add employee, and then here just add an employee for yourself. So enter your own first and last name and an email address that you have access to, and then on that address you will get an email inviting you to join this sub account. Just go and accept that email and set a password for your account, and then after doing that you will be redirected back to GoHighLevel. Now in the top right, click on your initials and just click on login as, and then here select the user that you just created. So for me it's this one. And then once you have done that, in GoHighLevel in the bottom left you just want to go and click on settings, and now my profile should be there, so then click my profile. And then in my profile you want to scroll down a bit, and then here you have email two-way sync, so connect to sync incoming and outgoing emails between the CRM and your personal email account. So then just click on Gmail and then click connect. Now that will redirect you to your Google accounts. Now from there just select which Google account you want to connect and then click continue. Then you need to click select all and then click continue again. And now as you can see, I have successfully connected my Gmail to this GoHighLevel sub account, and now I have synced incoming and outgoing emails between the CRM and my Gmail account. Now here you can also add your smart BCC address to the CC or BCC field when sending an email from Gmail to automatically add this conversation and contact in CRM. So that's another thing you can do. So now you know how to connect Gmail to GoHighLevel. Now if you would like to get started with GoHighLevel, I'll leave a link to them down in the description that you can use to get started completely for free. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.